Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, How to Confirm a Deposit. After compiling multiple deposits throughout a month, you'll receive your bank statement. At this time, you'll want to confirm the deposits in ServiceDesk. To do so, open the Funds Journal. The shortcut is Control F9. Next, choose Deposit-Related Functions and Confirm Deposit Item Reports. This area is password protected. Choose the type of funds you're verifying. We'll pick checks. Now, using our bank statement, we'll double check that indeed the bank shows a deposit of 7 items totaling $1,835.22. Right-click on the deposit. If you had other deposits on your bank statement to confirm, you would go ahead and include those as well. When finished, select Enter to confirm. You've now reconciled the deposits in ServiceDesk to your bank statement, and ServiceDesk will move your area partition forward. This double-check process ensures that the money you're expecting to reach the bank makes it there properly. Please note, once an item has been marked as deposited, it cannot be undone. This is a security feature of the Funds Journal process. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching How to Confirm a Deposit.